How to see viewers on Facebook story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can see viewers on your Facebook story. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First, open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is here tap on your story that you just posted. Then after you see your story on the bottom left, you'll find the option where you'll find viewers. So tap on that. And after you tap on that, you'll find all of your viewers for your story right here. You'll see the reacts that they sent as well. So you can check that out here as well in this section. And yeah, that's basically how you can see viewers on your Facebook story. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to our channel, as I said, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.